How to set up a proxy server on Windows and Mac, step by step. Setting up a proxy server might sound complex, but it's actually simple when broken down step by step. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, this guide will help you get started. A proxy server acts as an intermediary between your device and the internet. It helps mask your IP address, improves privacy, and allows access to restricted content. Let's start with Windows. First, go to Settings. Then, Network and Internet. Click on Proxy from the sidebar. You'll see an option to manually set up a proxy. Toggle it on and input the IP address and port number provided by your proxy provider. Now for Mac, head to System Preferences, and then Network. Select the network you're connected to and click. Advanced, go to the Proxies tab. And here you can configure the settings, manually by choosing the appropriate protocol, entering your proxy details and saving them. While many providers exist, we recommend IP Royal for both beginners and professionals. They offer reliable proxies for a wide range of uses, including privacy, gaming, marketing, and more. You can join IP Royal for free using the link in the description below. Edes https iproyal.testjevi.taitlaio. Kudes est budai bien. IP Royal provides a seamless setup experience with detailed guides and customer support. So even if it's your first time using a proxy, you're covered. Once configured, your device will route traffic through the proxy, keeping your activity private and unlocking new access across the web.